Morning all, this video is especially for Sunny, and it's how to put a spinner on. So if you weren't in class for in the week before we broke up, this is how to add the spinner. So this is what the spinner does. If I click on it, it changes the number there, so you don't have to actually type anything in. Alright, so I'm just going to get rid of mine. And the first thing, hold on. Right, so the first thing I want you to do is to come over here, right click and insert a line so that you've got a box underneath where you originally had your price for increase in selling price. So you just right click on the 13 or whatever yours is and insert a line over there. Okay, so if you want to do that, pause the video now. Right, after that you need to, in this grey bit over here, you're going to right click and you're going to say customize the ribbon. And then you're going to look for what we call the developer toolbar, that one there. So you're going to click on it and say OK. And then you're going to go to developer and you're going to look for the toolbox. And then you're going to look over here to where it says spin button and draw a spin button in. Now, because, for those of you that weren't in the class, because spin buttons don't work on decimals and we want this to be 0.1, we've put this box underneath here. So, and you can see I've put the formula in there to say divide by, but I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Alright, so our spin button is actually going to work on this box, not that box. Okay, so you're going to right click and you're going to say format control. And then you're going to say use that box there. So click on that one and then click on that box. So mine's K13. I want it to be 0, currently minimum 0, increments of 1, so that's all fine. And then this box here, we're going to say equals that cell divided by 10, because that will then give us the decimal of that cell. So to check if it works, if we make that 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Okay, if yours isn't money, just remember to go to home and turn it into money. Alright, now we don't need to see this cell, so we can right click on the 13, then we can actually, oops, hold on. We can right click on the 13 and hide that row. Alright, obviously my spinner just went funny shaped. So you just have to right click if you want to resize it. And then you can test it out. And that should work. So your evidence, you can print screen the spinner. If you want, you can print screen the format control. If you go format control. So I was right clicking there to get that format control. You could print screen that as your evidence. Put them all in your project log. Put them all into your test plan. For your test plan, you could say that you want to test the spinner. That if you click on the up button, it goes up 1 and the prices change. Although the price changing isn't actually the spinner, that's a different formula. So you basically, on the test plan, you're just saying if you click it up or down that this number needs to change up or down. Okay, let me know if you need any other videos.